might help you, right? Throwing it into it.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey.
All right, everyone. You gotta be quiet. Let him focus.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, baby! Wow.
I love it when you fly in circles.
Oh my God!
Did you ever see the spotlight? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Who is this? The kid from Banana
Hobby? Banana Hobby.
I'll put him pound for pound against that kid. That's like right?
You running out of the way?
It's all right.
He was dive bombing me.
Hey, don't bring it too close to us. We're nervous. Yeah, see how high up you can bring it.
No.
Go
Oh, he's going vertical. He's going ballistic. Nice.
Nice move.
I don't know. I tell you what, a lot of it is your sight. Because we can't see it like he can see it. Stay over by us. In case it comes at us. Get behind you. Not, buddy?
It'll be alright.
Very true, man.
Oh, barrel roll.
Oh!
Oh, what did you do?
Barrel roll.
He did a barrel roll.
Sonic boom.
Do you remember when we went to that show? Do you remember that guy when he lost the wing?
Yeah.
Send it up to recon the rockets.
You're about 2 minutes.
I'm just surprised it don't come so bad.
Oh, I think he's bringing it down. Nope.
You okay in it?
He is.
He's alright. He's into the wind.
Yeah!